Okay, Assalamualaikum guys. Okay, in this video, I would like to explain on the another Microsoft Office, which is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so for lesson one, we're going to look into working with information graphic. Okay, the objective of this lesson is we want to modify an entire presentation by changing the theme colors and fonts, and then we want to insert pictures and clips into slides without content placeholders. And then we want to format pictures and clips by applying styles and adding borders. And then we want to apply effects to pictures and clips, add hyperlinks to a slide, and create a format a table. And then we want to create a chart, find synonyms using the thesaurus, add action button and action settings, hide slides, and run a slideshow with hyperlink. Okay, now first we create a blank PowerPoint. Okay, so since I'm using PowerPoint, I click blank presentation. So what you need to do is click design menu, choose a theme parcel from the gallery. Alright, so we go to the design tab and then choose the theme parcel. Okay, so this one it's stated there a parcel, so you click. So we have this design, this theme as a parcel theme. And next, choose a theme parcel from the gallery and then select theme colors yellow from the drop down on the right side of the top panel. So this is the variant now, and then choose color and then go for yellow. So this is yellow. Okay, so select yellow, right. Next, type the foundation for healthy eating. Foundation for eating. Okay. For the subtitle, take your vitamins, watch your salt. So next, click the theme font buttons in the themes group to display the theme font gallery, and then choose the Times New Roman Arial font set to change the presentation theme font. So for the font here, this one, okay, select Times New Roman Arial, this one. So the font of this theme will be changed to Times New Roman. Okay, you click this one and then choose font and then go Times New Romans. Okay, next, click insert tab, choose picture from this device, select the drive that contain the picture, click select. Okay, so before, if you don't have the picture select, you need to download first. So I don't have, I need to download. Select image. What kind of select? Let's say I take this picture, right click, and then I save image as, and then save in the folder lab 134 that we used before. Okay, put the select, save. Right. So in the PowerPoint, insert picture this device, and then go to the desktop that you, the folder that you save the select picture. So resize see what we need to do. Okay, so we resize it as in this slide. Okay. Right, so like this. So the text we need to move it to the right a little bit. So we move it to the right a little bit. So it become like this. Right. With the select picture selected, click the more button in the picture style gallery to expand the gallery. So try to double click. Okay, when you double click, it will go to picture format here. Okay, double click the image, it will go to the picture format, and then point and click to the rotated white style in the picture style gallery. This is picture style. Want to select rotated white. Go down, then choose rotated white. This one. Okay, this is the rotated white. Okay, so choose this style. So our image will be changed to the rotated white style. Okay, so it become like this. Next, with the select picture selected, click the picture format, click picture border, and then click and choose the gold accent one. So we want to change the border to gold accent one. Okay, so double click picture border here. Okay, we already in the format tab, picture format tab. So you click picture border here, and then click the gold accent one. Okay, this is it. So you click gold accent one. So the border style will change to gold accent one. With the select picture still selected, click the format picture, click correction under brightness contrast group, click to contrast plus 20% to apply this contrast to the salad. Alright, okay, so we double click and then we go to the picture format tab, and then under correction, okay, make sure you select the image. Select the image. Under correction, choose the brightness, sorry, contrast plus 20%, row 4, column 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Choose this one. Okay, so choose this one, brightness plus 20%. Okay, so click this. So the brightness of the image will be changed by adding extra 20%. Next, insert new slide twice to go to slide 4, and then click insert tab. Okay, so we insert the slide twice. Okay, you can right click and then new slide, 1, 2. Okay. But it's it slide 4, right? So let's check. Okay, so we need to add another slide to make it slide 4, new slide. Okay. So go to slide 4, insert tab, picture, and then this time we want to put the utensil. So I don't have the image yet, I need to download it. So utensil. Image that they use. you choose this one. Right click, save image, save inside the same folder, name it as utensils. So go back to the slide. Put the utensil image. First we fill in the title and the content first, okay? So we look back at the left slide. So for the slide 4, the content, the title is nutrition resources. Nutrition resources. And then in the content is consumer information. And then we press enter, and then you indent right. Okay, increase list level. Okay, this one. Okay, increase list level, and then you put American Society for Nutrition. Enter. A Food and Nutrition Service. Food and Nutrition. Enter, and then go back. This one. Decrease list level. Then you take the meal planning. Okay, so that is for slide 4. What about the slide? Alright, the rest we left it first. Okay, we continue with the slide 4 first. Okay, so we continue here. Okay, so insert tab, and then you insert the utensil picture. So here we are reviewing the content, and then you go for insert picture this device, and then go to the folder that you save the picture utensil here, click, and then insert. Right, so you resize it a little bit so that it will be appropriate for the slide. Still big. Okay, so like that. Okay, next. Okay, we already resize it. Next is with the utensil picture selected, click picture format, click more button in the picture style gallery to expand the gallery. Okay, so selected picture format here. Alright, so relax perspective wide, row 3, column 5. So in picture style here, picture style, you click drop down and then choose relax perspective wide, this one. Okay, relax perspective wide. So you click to select. Okay, next. Picture border also change to gold. Okay, so here, go to picture border here, down, change to gold. You select this one, gold, right? With the utensil picture still selected, click the format picture, click correction, contrast, under brightness and contrast less 20%, minus 20%. Okay. So double click the utensil picture, and then under correction, the contrast less 20%. Okay, this one. Brightness less 20%. Okay. Column row third, column 2. Triple click the first second level paragraph, American Society for Nutrition, and then click insert tab, then click insert hyperlink. Okay, now we want to insert hyperlink to this text, okay, inside the slide 4. So we want to hyperlink it to this website. So you copy it first, copy the link, okay, copy the link, copy, right click, copy, and then go back to our slide, and then it asks us to triple click 1, 2, 3. So it will select the whole line, and then you can right click, and then you pick sorry, link, this one here. Okay, this link, click link, and then under address here you paste the address that you copy before, paste it here. Okay, and then you click OK. So this text, whenever we click it will link us to the web address that we just inserted before. Okay, click OK. Okay, next, triple click the USDA foot. Okay, okay, so for this sentence you want to insert hyperlink for this website. Okay, so you copy, right click, copy, and then go back to our slide, triple click it, and then you right click. Oh, see, this is it already provided link here. Click link, and then under address you just paste the address that we copy before. Then click OK. So now we have two sentences that have their respective link. Okay, whenever we play our presentation, when we click this link, it will point to the web address that we just link here. Okay, so it will be like this. Inserting an empty table. Okay, click the previous slide to display slide 2. Click insert table. Now we go to slide 2. Insert table. Click the wait. Okay. So in the insert table, we put the title as required vitamins. Required vitamins. And we need to insert table 3 column and 7 rows. Okay. So click here. Insert table 3 column 7 row. Okay, so it will be like this, right? And now we need to start to enter the data here. Okay, so that it will be like this. So I already create before, then I just copy first. So I put it like this. Okay, so this is the content of the table. So we move it up a little bit. Alright, so next, you finish fill in all the data. Next is with the insertion point in the table, click the table design. Okay, table design. So double click here. The tab will be on the tab of table design, and then scroll down, select dark style 2, accent 1, accent 2. Okay, so in the style here, drop down, and then go to dark. This is light, right? Medium. Scroll down, dark, dark. Style 2, accent 1, accent 2. Okay, so select this style. Okay, so it will be like this. Alright, so now we want to select the table. Okay, select the table, and then in the border section here, click drop down button and then select all border. So the border will be for all border, right? Okay. Next, adding effect to a table. With the table selected, click the effect, point to shadow, and then offset right in the outer category. Effect, shadow, offset right. So, okay, this one, outer, offset right. Click it. Okay, so finish with the table. Now we want to insert a chart in slide 3. So we move to slide 3. let's see what is the title first. Okay, so the title will be limit salt intake. So you put here limit salt intake. Right. Go back. Okay, we want to insert chart here. Okay, so click insert chart button, select pie in 3D chart, click OK. So point the mouse here and then go to insert, and then in the illustration you select chart, and then you want to select pie. Okay, pie chart, 3D version, 3D pie. Okay, this 3D pie, 3D, click OK. So it will automatically put the chart here also with the uh, Excel for the chart. Okay, this is the Excel for the chart so that we can input the data for the chart. Select, click cell B1. B1 here. Okay, so name it as sources. Okay, sources, and then A1 we put it as A2. Sorry, it's cell A2 type processed food. Cell A2 processed food. And then A3 occurs naturally. Occurs naturally. And then A4 added at table. A4 added at table. And then A5 added during cooking. Added during cooking. Okay, so we have changed the label for the chart. Next, fill down the salt sources 75, 10, 8, 7. 10%, 8%, 7%. So we already finished up our content for the chart, and click close button. So this is how it's going to be for our chart. Okay, with the chart still selected, click the chart design. More button in the chart style gallery to expand the table style. Point and click style 10, row 2, column 2. Choose style 10. Selected case chart style. Look down. Style 10. Okay, this is the style 10. So choose style 10. Right, so next, with the chart still selected, click the chart design button in the chart layout, and then point and click to layout 6. Still selected, chart layout. Okay, this one, quick layout. Okay, quick layout, layout 6, 7, 6. Okay, this. Okay, under quick layout, choose layout 6. So the layout will be like this. Next, changing the shape, outline, weight. Okay, click format tab here, and then click pie chart to select it and display the sizing handle. Click the shape outline button to display the shape outline color palette. Point to weight 3. Sorry, point to weight and then click 3. So we select the pie chart, and then in format, in shape outline, weight here, select to 3. Okay, so select 3. Click the shape outline button to display, and then in the theme colors area, black text 1. Okay, still select this. Okay, select all of this pie chart ni, all section. Okay, take this, click shape outline in color theme, you pick the black text 1. So the line will be in black color, width width of 3. Changing the title and legend font. Okay, click the chart title, successes, and triple click. Successes, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 here, and then triple click increase font size. Okay, when we select chart title, increase font size here, 1, 2, 3. So the size will be 32. 32. Okay, so next, increase font size button 3 times to 32. Right click legend, increase to 12. Okay, right click, this is legend. Right click it, font, make it 12. Font. Okay, so all have been changed to 12. Okay, I repeat. You right click, click here, right click, click font, and then you increase the size to be 12. So 12, click OK. So this legend size will be increased to 12. Okay, this one is just for if you want to hide the slide during presentation. You can just go to this and then you right click and then you click hide slide. So the slash symbol will be on the fourth slide here, meaning that when we want to play the slide, this slide will not be shown. Okay, so you unhide it back. Okay, unhide it, you right click and then click hide again. So the slash button will disappear, meaning that this slide is not in hide mode anymore. Okay. Okay, now find and replace syntax. Okay, click home tab and then click replace and then type salt and then you replace salt in replace with text box, type sodium and then click replace all occurrences and then click OK. Okay, so you go back to home and then replace here, click replace, find what? Salt. Replace with sodium. Okay, then replace all. Two replacement has been made. Okay, so close. So you have find and replace the text. Click the preview buttons twice to display slide 2 and then right click word required, point to synonym, click the word essential, which is the synonym of required. Okay, now you want to change required to essential because these two words are synonym. Okay, so go to slide 2, right click required ni, required, right click, go synonym and then you take the essential. Alright, right click required, synonym, essential. So we change to the synonym of required, which is essential. Finding second synonym. Okay, click find and then type planning. And then we found that the planning is in slide 4. Right click planning, point to synonym and change it to preparation. Home. Click button find here. And then you search planning. Planning. Find next. So we show to the slide 4 here. Close. Okay, for planning you right click planning, synonym, select preparation. So we change to preparation. And now we want to insert an action button. Okay, the button that we can do an action whenever we play our slideshow. Okay, click the previous slide 2. Okay, now go to slide 2. Insert tab and then shape button, point to action button and shape. Take the end shape and then click the bottom right corner to insert the action button. Alright. So you want to insert button here, we go to insert and then go to shape. Okay, in shape there are there are categories, lines, rectangle, basic. You go to action button here. below one, action button, and then take this one, action button, go to end. Okay, go to end. So you click go to end. Okay, then we have select go to end. You click it. Oh, sorry, I scroll the slide. I do it again. Okay, shape. Okay, action button. Okay, and then click here. Right, click here. Okay, you can close this first, and then you reposition it so that it will be put in appropriate place, appropriate position. Okay, so this is the action button and button and shape. Okay, now we want to edit. Click the mouse click tab, click place sound checkbox, and then you use chimmy to select the sound, and then click the OK button. Okay, right click, and then you click edit link. Okay, right click to the action button, right click, edit link. So in mouse click, you go to play sound, and then drop down, you use chim. Click OK. Right, so we have set it so that whenever we click, we play the chim sound. Okay, resizing. Okay, with the action button still selected, point to the lower right corner, handle on the button, then drag the size regularly outward and inward until the button is the appropriate size of the one shown. Okay, so kita kecilkan sikit lah. Alright, put it here. Okay, so we resize it to make it smaller, and then you put in the appropriate position. Changing the action button fill color. Right click the action button and then fill color arrow, and then point to the gold accent in the theme color palette. So right click here. Okay, already we have the format shade here. Go to color. What do you want? Gold accent color here. Okay, so change it to gold here. So the color of the action button will be like this. Right click action button on slide 2 to display the shortcut menu. Copy on the shortcut menu, and then you paste it to the slide 3. Okay, and then you go to slide 4, also paste it in the slide 4. Okay, so we right click, copy, go to slide 3, right click, paste it here, the same here, paste it here. So all these 3 slides has the end shape action button. Right click the action button on the slide 4 to display the shortcut menu, and then edit hyperlink, and then click slide on the hyperlink to menu, and then click to slide 2 essential vitamins, and then click OK. Okay, now we want to edit hyperlink for this button. Okay, we want to put hyperlink within this slideshow. Okay, so we want to set it to put link. Whenever we click this link, it will go to slide 2. So how? You right click, edit link, and then in the hyperlink 2, okay, hyperlink 2 ni you drop down, and then you select slide. Okay, slide, and then you select slide 2. Okay, slide 2, and click OK. Okay, so whenever we play our presentation and then we click this button in slide 4, it will go back to slide 2, because we already insert the hyperlink to go to the slide 2. Okay, next, click transition tab here. Okay, transition tab here, transition, and then we'll click white, and then in the transition, you need to apply the transition and then click apply to all. Button in the transition to this slide group to apply the transition to all 4 slides in the presentation. Okay, we select the white transition and then you click apply to all. So this white here, okay, white, select white, white, and then this one in timing you click apply to all, so that all of these 4 slides will have this transition of white. Okay, now we can start to running the slide. Okay, click slide 1, go to slide 1 and then play slideshow button, enter key to slide to display slide 2, enter key to slide 3, enter H to display slide 4. Next, click the first hyperlink to test the link in the slide 4, and then click the second hyperlink to test the second hyperlink, and then go back to slide 1 and then go to slide 2. In the slide 2, click the action button in the slide 2 to show that the action button will go to the slide 4. And then when slide 4 is displayed, click the action button to return to slide 2. Okay, now we want to play around with what we already did to our slides. Okay, so go to our slide here and then go to page 1, slide 1, and then you play the slideshow. Click. So it will be like this. Then click enter to go to next slide, enter next slide, enter next slide. Okay, so in the page slide 4, we have hyperlink here. So try to click it. See whether it will move to the web address that we insert or not. So you click it. Okay, so we point to the web address that we put in the hyperlink. Okay, the same goes to the second hyperlink. Okay, second hyperlink. Alright. So next, we want us to go back to first slide and then press enter. In the second slide, you click action button here. See whether it will move to the slide 4. Alright. See, when we click the button here, it will directly go to slide 4. Okay. We click it back, it will go back to slide 2. Okay, because they already linked between this action button. Okay. So in future, whenever you want to create, maybe we want to put a link to another slide that are not in sequence. Okay, you can put this action button here. Okay. Okay, nanti let's say kamu nak buat slide kan. Okay, slide untuk next ni, untuk slide ni mungkin ada point-point yang kamu nak tunjuk di sini. Yang mana point-point tu ada di slide yang agak jauh daripada slide 2 ni kan. Dia nak kena melangkau slide lain. So, kamu boleh masukkan link di sini ataupun kamu boleh tambah button di sini. So, that boleh kita klik. Okay, slide tu akan jump to the slide yang kita nak. Okay. Kalau explanation tu di slide 3, tak perlulah kita letak ni hyperlink ni, unless kalau slide explanation tu ada di slide-slide yang belakang-belakang sikit kan. So kamu bolehlah menggunakan button ni untuk membuatkan link dia. Okay, next what else? Okay, next is just to print. Okay, like as usual, you can go and try to print if you want to print. So alright, so that's it. That's is the lesson in for our lab session for Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay, I hope this is just the basic. I hope in future you can enhance your knowledge by practicing this, and then use your creativity try to create interactive PowerPoint presentation. Okay, alright guys, thank you.